Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes camera turning on and off event viewer Windows camera frame service terminated unexpectedly. First method is Open File Explorer. Open Program Files, open Realtek. Rename RsProviders folder to RsProviders_old. Restart system. Second method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.